these how-tos. I'm going to show you how to make Thai-style mussels. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off with one brown onion. And all we want to do is finely dice this. Next we'll need 2 long red chillies. Cut the stems off, and we just want to very finely slice this. Now I am going to leave the seeds in it. These aren't too hot. If they're really hot, take the seeds out. And I will be doing this based on 500 grams of half shell mussels. So these are just forward. So guys, make sure there's no hair on them, or beards as they're called. For example here, there's just a little bit up here. So you just want to take that off, and you can scrub it if you like. After that, just give it a quick rinse, and let's move on to our stove. So guys, just into a small pot on a medium heat, we'll add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to add our onions straight in. And we just want to fry that on a medium heat until they're browned and softened. Once the onions have cooked, we're going to add in 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, and we'll also add in our chilies. And let's just mix that together and cook it for another minute. Alright, next we're going to add in about a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm just using light soy sauce, and we'll add in all our mussels. And we just want to cook that together. Just to let all those flavours attach themselves to the mussels. Alright, so we'll season with a teaspoon of salt now, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and you can already really smell those Thai flavours. So now we're going to add in a whole can of coconut cream. So I'm just using a 400 gram can. And we'll add in about a tablespoon of sugar. Just mix all that through. Just like so. So guys, lid on the pot. We want to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, so I'm at the 4-minute mark now. Just have a look at that. Our sauce is nicely thickened up. And look how nicely our mussels are coated. Perfect. Let's go ahead and serve. Alright, just look at that. Definitely don't go wasting any of our beautiful sauce. And we'll of course finish that off with some toasted bread, just so we can enjoy all of the sauce. And that's all there is to it. If you want to add a touch of colour, just go ahead and sprinkle some fresh parsley. Simple as that. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.